In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat yourself in Telegram. This is an incredibly useful feature that lets you send messages, notes, links, files, and reminders to yourself in a private space that only you can access. It's perfect for saving important information, transferring files between devices, or just jotting down quick thoughts. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app loads, you'll see your chat list. Now, tap the search icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a magnifying glass. This opens up the search field where you can find chats, contacts, and messages. In the search field, type Save Messages. As you start typing, you'll see it appear in the search results. This is your personal chat space within Telegram. Tap on Saved Messages to open it. You're now inside your personal chat. This space works exactly like any other chat in Telegram, except it's completely private and only visible to you. From here, you can start sending messages to yourself. Type anything you want in the message field at the bottom, just like you would in a regular chat. You can send text, photos, videos, voice messages, files, links, or anything else you'd normally share. Everything you send here is saved and synced across all your devices where you use Telegram. That means you can access these messages from your phone, tablet, or desktop without any extra steps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to chat yourself in Telegram using saved messages. It's a simple but powerful tool that can help you stay organized and keep track of important information. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this one.